So it's a matter of letting the bank know of your current status para matulungan kanila. Sino ba naman ang bangko na hindi tutulong sa mga clients nila? Ang gusto ng bangko, makagbayad tayo, di ba? So, hi everyone! Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, ang content natin for today is Tanong Mo, Sagot Ko. Yes, we're going to answer some queries dito po sa ating YouTube channel, and alam ko po na ang queries na to, kapag sinagot ko, additional knowledge na naman and information sa inyong lahat. Kaya, tutok lang sa ating content for today. Alright, without much ado, ang unang query natin nanggaling kay Trending TV. Ang tanong niya, paano daw ipa-waive ang annual fee ng BDO Gold Credit Card? Okay, to start with, ang mga credit card ni BDO ay maaring ma-waive ang kanilang mga annual fee provided they have reached the spending requirement. Katulad ng topic natin in the previous video, I discussed with you na talagang may requirement, spending requirement, para ma-qualify sa no annual fee for life. Kaya lang, syempre, kung hindi naman necessary for you to spend 50,000 pesos or 30,000 pesos or depende doon sa requirement ni BDO, so bakit mo pipiliting mag-spend ng ganung halaga kung hindi naman dapat mag-spend? Is it just for the purpose na ma-waive yung annual fee mo? Well, maybe, pero kailangan pag-aralan natin mabuti to. Kasi sometimes it's not really wise to reach the spending requirement just for your credit card to be waived with its annual fee. So, eto yung other option. Ipa-waive ang annual fee with BDO. Pero syempre, may qualifications din yan. So, yan ang ating itatackle for today. Alright, I would like to stress na si BDO doesn't automatically waive the annual fee of every credit card holder. But they consider waiving it, or they will consider your request if, number 1, you are a good payer. On-time payment, no delinquencies. Importante yan kay BDO. Number 2, you are a frequent credit card user. Mataas ang spending mo, yet nakakabayad ka on time. Number 3, you are a long-time customer. Ibig sabihin, matagal ka ng client or customer ni BDO. Kapag matagal ka na kasing client or customer ng isang bangko, na pag-aaralan nila yung credit history at credit score mo. At based on your credit score and credit history, they will know na mapagkakatiwalaan ka talaga. And number 4, kapag matagal ka na kasing client ni BDO or matagal ka ng credit card holder ni BDO at marami ka nang na-earn na rewards or points and you are willing para i-offset na lang yung points mo for your annual fee. So, pwede rin i-consider yon ni BDO. So, kailangan willing ka. So, kapag nakapag-decide ka na at talagang interesado ka, you have to call the customer service representative with the following number.
Contact number +632 8888 0000 or 1-800-10631-8000.
Otherwise, you can also email them with this email address.
Email address, customercare@bdo.com.ph or contact us at bdo.com.ph.
Once your request is approved, the annual fee that was charged will be reversed to your next billing statement. Next, we have another query nanggaling naman kay Skylight.
Ano po ang mangyayari kapag pina-cancel na yung credit card? Wala nang utang, except doon sa finance charge na ayaw mo nang bayaran.
Well, Skylight, hindi mo kasi pwedeng sabihin na officially canceled or closed na yung account mo kapag meron ka pang naiiwang charges na unpaid. Kailangan kasi unpaid lahat. So, hindi naman pwedeng binayaran mo lang yung half of it, pero meron pang naiiwan kasi talagang tatawagan ka at tatawagan ka ni bangko para sabihing bayaran mo yung mga existing unpaid credit card bills mo. Kaya kapag gusto natin na officially closed ang ating mga account at wala ka nang aasahang tawag pa in the future, so kailangan nating bayaran ang kabuuan ng ating mga credit card bills para meron na rin tayong peace of mind. Alright, si Toka Sasa naman, hinihingi niya ang email or official email address ng BDO. So, dito ko ilalagay, yan yung official email address ng BDO na kung saan pwede kayong mag-email sa kanila sa mga queries and concerns ninyo, especially dun sa mga nanghihingi ng information regarding payment arrangement. So, ito yung mga official email address ng Banco de Oro. Another query na nanggaling naman kay Laila. Okay, so AKA kasi ayaw niyang ipasabi yung kanyang tunay na pangalan. And then, hindi ko na rin ipa-flash dito yung screenshot ng kanyang query kasi for privacy purposes, of course, we have to respect that. Pero ang tanong niya ganito, suyang-suya na daw siya sa kanyang credit card. Takot na kasi hindi na niya mabayaran yung mga huling credit card bills niya. At naisip daw niya na para magkaroon na siya ng freedom, so she decided to destroy the credit card. Ano nga ba ang take ko dyan or idea ko dyan? Alright, so ganito yon. Kahit naman sirain mo yung credit card, open pa rin yung credit card account mo with the bank. So, sira man yung physical card, yung pangalan mo nandun pa rin sa kanila. Yung information mo nandun pa rin sa kanila. Contact number, address, so nandun pa rin sa kanila. So, kung gusto natin ng talagang totoong freedom, kasi sabi niya para magkaroon siya ng freedom or siguro peace of mind, ang dapat nating gawin talaga is, palagi kong sinasabi to sa mga previous videos ko, advising you to call the customer service representative. Hindi ka naman nila tutuklawin Alright, so recorded pa ang mga tawag natin with them, kaya safe tayo. Tawagan natin si CSR or si Customer Service Representative para sabihin yung status mo as of the moment, kung bakit mo hindi nababayaran yung credit card mo. Meron ka bang financial struggles? So let them know. Kasi they can offer you amnesty or they can offer you restructuring program, yung payment arrangement na nababagay sa'yo, pwede kang mamili sa dalawang yon, yung amnesty or yung restructuring payment arrangement. So it's a matter of letting the bank know of your current status para matulungan kanila. Sino ba naman ang bangko na hindi tutulong sa mga clients nila? Ang gusto ng bangko, makabayad tayo, di ba? Doon nagkakaproblema tayo sa ating payment, but of course, they would also want you to pay yung mga existing unpaid credit card bills natin. Kaya sige, kahit hindi mo na siya mabayaran ng sa tamang oras, basta mag-installment ka na lang sa amin. O kaya bayaran mo siya one time, big time, with no interest, okay na yun sa amin. Okay, may mga ganun si bangko. So, it is being represented by the amnesty or the restructuring payment arrangement. Kaya, the key is tawagan si customer service representative and tell your testimony or tell your story. And I'm very sure that they are very willing naman to assist you or kaya make a report on your status o kaya bigyan kanila ng contact number kung saan pwede mong tawagan para doon ka mag-request. Kasi si customer service lang ang magda-direct ng call mo to the right department. Yung right department na yun ang makakatulong sa'yo and magbibigay sa'yo ng arrangement or ng program. They will also be explaining, and then from the explanation, dun ka makakapag-decide kung ano yung nababagay sa'yo. Is it the amnesty or the restructuring payment arrangement? Okay, so paalala, huwag nating sirain ang ating mga credit card kapag hindi na tayo nakakabayad. Walang na idudulot na tulong yon. Kasi as what I've said a while ago, open pa rin yung account mo with the bank. So what's the use of destroying the credit card? There's no such freedom in there. There's no such peace of mind. Kasi open pa rin yung account mo with the bank. And remember, emphasize ko lang ulit na kay bangko ang mga information mo. yung address mo, yung contact number mo, di ba, nagbigay ka pa ng ID, payslip, and all that. So, kailangan, as what I've said, uulit-ulitin ko, kapag may problema ka dahil hindi ka nakakabayad ng credit card bill mo, tawagan mo si bangko. At alam kong matutulungan ka niya. Alright, so there you go. Ganun kaiksi ang ating video for today. Maraming salamat po for tuning in. And sa mga nag-subscribe lately, maraming salamat din. And sana yung mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, makapag-subscribe na po sa ating YouTube channel. Always tap the notification bell down there so that you'll always be notified kapag meron tayong bagong video. Remember, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron ka sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!